Good afternoon. This is Mike Efferson with the National Weather Service in Slidell. I'm going to give you a Sunday briefing for the next week. I'm starting off on the Weather Prediction Center's webpage. Going to go through where cold fronts are through the week. So starting out, you'll see as we go into 0Z Monday, which is Sunday evening. So right now, got a weak stalled frontal boundary across the state. Got a few showers kind of in the Baton Rouge metro area that have been initiated by the system, but as you see when we go through tonight and tomorrow, that boundary kind of lifts northward, and not looking at too much rainfall beyond that, at least in the early part of the week. That frontal boundary tries to develop and go somewhere between the stalled and cold front, but it's still no impact to the local area. So go through Tuesday, Wednesday, you'll see there's still not much going on with high pressure to the northeast building across the area. But as we end out the week, you'll notice that cold front coming across the country, coming into Texas on Friday morning, and by Saturday morning, that cold front blows through. So Friday night, that front's going to come through, and you'll see a pretty big difference in temperatures. Take a look at this graphic I'm about to show you. These are highs and low temperatures for Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Gulfport, and Macomb. So kind of across the local area. We'll start off pretty high, near record highs in the mid 80s, lows in the 60s. But by the end of the week, high temperatures aren't even going to be as high as our low temperatures right now. So, as you go into the weekend, you're looking at highs in the low to mid 60s, maybe 65, 67. But for the most part, pretty chilly air coming in behind that cold front. And then as we look beyond into the longer term, like beyond the 7-day, going kind of into the week and a half time frame, we're going to be on average below normal temperatures, probably going to continue. As far as precipitation goes, rainfall, pretty near normal, which this time of year we're pretty dry, so don't expect a whole lot of rainfall in the next week and a half or so. The only other thing worth mentioning, looking out in the tropics, this is a Hurricane Center's 5-day potential development areas, and I've got that one over there north of Haiti, possibly developing as the system moves towards Florida. Kind of looking at some of the ensemble models and just a group of various models. Generally speaking, if the system does develop, at the moment it looks like it should veer off to the northeast once it gets somewhere close to Florida. So at this time, not looking for any impact. So that's what we got for the next week or so. Thanks.